Hi, my name's Alderman. I'm a native of Brevard, North Carolina, and I've been a sculptor for about 16 years now. Here we are today at the Cashin Sculpture Garden. I think I kind of chose sculpture, or maybe sculpture chose me, but to paraphrase Louise Bourgeois, she once said that sculptors just have more to say, and I kind of like that idea that creating sculptures has a more presence and more power to it sometimes than painting, not all the time. But also like creating something that interacts with the space around it. In creating this piece, I think I wanted to work with this idea of an external and interior space, the play between those two realities that we kind of live in or we experience. I think more lately my work is getting more into telling a story, and it has sort of a mythology behind it. I start creating these little storylines. I'm not really sure what they are, but I think that's up to the viewer to kind of read that story themselves.